People, welcome to the first video from Garage Mods and Builds 2025. Yes, took a long break. 2024 was overwhelming, just a little bit. But hey, today I'm going to showcase a 1978 Datsun 610. It's a pickup truck. For you purists who know, this one was done very professionally, and it is now up for sale. So, give you guys first peek before this list. Originally came with drum brakes, but has been upgraded to 4 disc rotors all around. All right, behind the seats, optimal battery, infinity amp, which is connected to the Bluetooth up here. All right, and kicker 6x9s. All right, both sides. So now let's see what's powering this thing. Ooh, my kind of thing. KA twin cam 16 valve stock motor. This is a whole setup, and you see ISR fuel regulator, and it has tow me headers. If anything else will seal the deal for you, tow me and KA. It's a chase base radiator, red cap, and reservoir. And the fans also, which I think you can see through here. It's all from Chase Base. Undercarriage, we're going to start with these coilovers. You can look those numbers up, see who made them, what type they are. Alright, but it's I'm gonna say fabricated custom suspension control arms, and these from BC Racing or BC Fabrication. Yeah, that's what these are from. Check out their website. I know they still carry this stuff, but they are 300Z calipers. And this is a full suspension kit. This is also a miracle, guys. A KA with an oil pan that doesn't leak. No leaking anywhere. Work our way back. Transmission. Custom exhaust. And Again, coilovers in the rear, custom torsion setup, tubing, custom welded in, and there it is. It's all from BC Fabrication. Custom tank. Now, like I said before, it's converted from drum to rotor disc in the rear. There's the undercarriage, guys. Like I said, it's up for sale. That's why the owner wanted me to do a video for him, so he can post it up. If you guys enjoyed it. The link to the Facebook Marketplace will be in the description, so you guys can check it out.